President William Ruto anyitanire na etĩkia kanitha wa ACK Kibra na thutha ũcio agĩa na mweke na family ciarĩa maraherirwo gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Makina mwena ũyũ mwaki ũrĩa ũracũngĩrĩria ikuũ cia andũ 8. Nĩ igongona rĩrĩa president anyitanire na kĩhĩri kĩa ambunge a kĩama kĩa ODM akĩoya mweke ũyũ gũkindĩra bata wa ũnyitanĩri wa UDA na ODM, ũmũthĩ akiuga harĩ bata ũiguano ũyũ ũgitĩrwo nĩguo mũng'ethanĩro ndũkone mweke.
Ni vizuri na tutafanya bidii kuhakikisha kwamba tunawaunganisha wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Ndio hata maana tumeweka serikali ya broad based, ya mapana na marefu, kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wote wa Kenya kutoka sehemu zote wanajumuishwa katika serikali na uongozi wa Kenya, ili tuwapokonye nafasi wale wa chuki, hasira, kisirani wanaotaka kutumia ukabila kugawanya wananchi wa Kenya. Wasipate nafasi katika taifa letu la Kenya.
President arauga ambũkĩrĩra iria akoretwo agĩtũngio nĩ mũng'ethanĩro nĩ ũira mũiganu atĩ nĩ ararutĩra Kenya wĩra, na ũguo akauga ndangĩhahũrwo nĩ mĩario ta ĩno amuti mũgeni ũteti-inĩ wa mũthemba ũcio.
Wale jamaa wa hasira, wale jamaa wa kisirani, wale jamaa wa chuki, wale wa ukabila hawatanapata nafasi katika Kenya hii. Hawawezi kutuletea hasira zao, hawawezi kutuletea kisirani zao, hawawezi kutugawanya na ukabila yao.
Nairobi ndio headquarter ya broad based. Sisi tuko hapo. When you hear my MCAs, they mean it. Even before the broad based tulikuwa tayari tuko pamoja. Na unajua kuna mtu alikuwa ananipiga sana because hakuwa anaelewa kwa nini nafanya kazi na jamii zote Nairobi. Alitaka nifanye kazi with just a small section, and I refused, and I stood firm there.
Kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ president nĩ arugũria ikereka rĩa mbere rĩa nyũmba cia raithi gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ, haha agĩtetera tabarĩra ĩno ĩrĩa arauga gatiba nĩwe mũhete hinya wa gwakĩra Kenya, na ũguo ndarabatara rũtha rwa mũndũ.
Yule ambaye amenituma nijenge haya manyumba ni katiba ya Kenya. Katiba ya Kenya sehemu ya 43 inasema kila mwananchi inafaa aishi mahali penye heshima, mahali kuna maji, mahali kuna stima, mahali kuna usafi. Hiyo ndio katiba ya Kenya inavyosema. Na inaamurisha serikali, na inaamurisha kiongozi wa serikali ambaye ni mimi kwa sasa, ni hakikisha kwamba kazi hiyo inaendelea. Na hiyo kazi nitafanya na bidii.
You know, your senator is a very good friend of mine, Senator Sifuna. I have told him that your senator, you know, kupinga maneno is very good, but it gets to a stage when you must take responsibility as a leader and also say that this is what I'm also doing. You cannot be a leader whose job is only to criticize. Some of these criticisms are so empty that in the end you become a leader who has no future.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu president nĩ orĩtie thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ĩtigĩrĩre ũtambia wa thitima nĩ ũrarũmĩrĩra mĩtaratara ya ũgitĩri mĩaki mĩingĩ cikaro-inĩ iria hatĩrĩrĩku ĩcũngagĩrĩrio nĩ thitima cia gwĩtambĩria.
Every 2 weeks tuko na fire hapa Kibra, na sometimes the fire engines zinachukua long time. Tafadhali mtuwekee fire station na tukue na fire engines na pia zikuwe na maji.
I want to assure you that we have already placed an amount of 500 million as seed capital that will be used to ensure that we have proper electricity in the slums, so that we avoid some of these fires that are coming because of poor connection of electricity.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.